All right, here we are at MRF 2019, and I got Patrick here, and he's got a machine that, well, if you don't know if you want to laser cut or if you want to CNC, if you want to 3D print that day, well, you can change your mind. If you want to see what he's got, stay tuned. All right, so hi Patrick, how are you?
Great, Matt. How you doing today?
So how's your MRF experience been so far?
It's been great. Been checking out all the cool printers, all the cool stuff people are making. Seen some really cool stuff. E3D's got their new tool changer, which is awesome. I've seen some really large printers, which are really cool too.
Very cool, very cool. So you got quite the contraption behind me, and as I kind of said in the introduction, it's got kind of interchangeable heads. Would you like to tell the viewers what you got?
Yeah, it's a full interchangeable head system. It was originally designed to be CNC, and then I had the CNC part going, and I went, well, why don't I add 3D print? And I found out there's some challenges to that, to having something that's that rigid and that heavy, and then you got to get the speeds up to be able to do 3D print. And I was working with it for about 4 years now, and finally kind of got it nailed down.
So it's got a CNC head, but it interchanges with what other heads have you developed at this point?
It does do laser engraving. It does 3D print. It does CNC milling and routing. It'll handle light metals, wood, and then multiple materials for 3D print.
Well, why don't we go over to one of the machines and we'll kind of get a closer look, and you can tell me about some of the things that you've implemented.
Okay, cool.
All right, so Patrick is going to kind of do a little bit of a demonstration as to how the head changes here. It's got the CNC. Now this is the. Oh, actually, yeah, I'm recording you. Yeah. You're under the gun, but
It's pretty quick. It's just got the 2 quick clamps. Give 3 turns. The clamps pull away. Head pops off. If you want to do a laser, laser pop 1. 3 turns. 1 clamp. 2 clamps. Connect the wire. And that's it. It's ready to laser. You would take the what's it called, device off, but
obviously there'd be more setup to the fact, but the head change is that easy. Now, is this a unit that you've marketed for sale, so there's somewhere that somebody can go and buy one of these?
It is right now still a personal project. I'm looking at probably around January. I'm going to be putting all the files online. It's going to be fully open sourced. It was built to be made with mainly off-the-shelf parts. There are some custom cut pieces of aluminum that, at that time, I'm also going to start probably producing them at a boutique level. Basically, you want one, you call me up, I'll build you one.
Very cool, very cool. And do you have anything on YouTube?
There is a couple small videos on YouTube. One was my April Fool's video from the other day. It shows the head change. And then a couple examples of it cutting aluminum and wood and that. It's under Ninja Robot.
Under Ninja Robot. And where do you, what about your social media? Where is there places that people can find you?
You can find me at PG Robot on Twitter. You can find me at Ninja Robot, Ninja_Robot_CNC on Instagram. And also at www.ninja-robot.com.
Very cool. And where do you come from?
Long Island, New York.
Oh, so you're a New Yorker just like us. So awesome, Patrick. I appreciate you speaking to me, and I hope that you enjoy the rest of your stay at MRF.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
All right. Thank you.